Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the beauty and magnificence of Islam, a religion that has touched the hearts of millions around the world. Islam is not just a religion, it's a way of life that promotes peace, compassion, and understanding. From its rich history to its profound teachings, Islam encourages us to be the best versions of ourselves. Did you know that many of the world's greatest advancements in science, medicine, and art were made by Muslim scholars? The Golden Age of Islam was a time of incredible innovation and discovery. At its core, Islam teaches us to care for one another. Acts of charity, kindness, and helping those in need are fundamental principles. The concept of Zakat ensures that wealth is shared with those less fortunate, fostering a sense of community and support. Islam's message of unity and tolerance is more important than ever. It teaches us to respect and embrace our differences, creating a world where everyone can live in harmony. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's spread the message of peace and love together.